Hey stitching muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today I will show you 4 different ways how to sew your bikini straps or ties depending on the look, stretch and comfort you want. For all 4 methods you will need a fabric cut into long strips. I recommend using bikini elastic if you want a professional look and long-lasting swimwear, especially for pieces that will stretch a lot. The first step is the same for every method. You cut your straps or ties. I'm using 1 cm white elastic, so I cut my strips twice that width plus around a ½ inch or 1 cm for the seam allowance, and the length around 40 centimeters per piece. And now I will cut 4 of them, 1 for each method. And I will fold the strip in half, right sides together, and pin the long edge on all 3. The 4th one will be a magic, or maybe not, we will see. First one. Second. So this is method 1, 2 and 3. So now I am using the elastic to make the first method with the serger. Don't forget to take out your pins. So this is how your first method should look like. The second method is exactly the same, except we are not using the elastic. It's a great way to see the difference between elastic versus no elastic strap or ties. So I will just sew it with the serger. Method 2 done. This time we will sew it with a zigzag stitch on a regular sewing machine, again with elastic inside. So I will pin the elastic right here, and I will lock the seam at the beginning and at the end. So this is the method 3. This method is perfect if you don't have a serger but still want a stretchy and durable strap. Method 4. I saw this one on TikTok and I have never tried this before, so let's test it together. I am using a piece of thick paper like cardstock or drawing paper to make the folding tool. I will mark a strip 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches. Then I mark 3 inches for the length. This will be the paper tool. I will cut it out from the paper. Now I need to find the center, and I will mark the center. So I draw all lines with the pencil because it helps the paper fold more easily. And now we will add 8 millimeters to both sides. And we can try if it works. I hope it will be okay. Yeah. So we have our paper tool. So now I am placing it right side down, and if we fold, maybe it could be smaller. And now if we fold the strap and then again, maybe it can work. We have to fold the strap. Okay. No. Okay, maybe I can use the pins. Pin the fabric here. And then I will pin the center. And maybe then we can fold the fabric easily. Or maybe not. Come on. There is no way I can do it this way. But I really want to try it. Oh, yes. Maybe you can try the pins too. Come Oh no. And now we can sew it with a straight stitch. Okay, just try it. Can you see that? Oh yeah, hope so. And now I have to move the tool, but stay there. Move. Can you move? No. Can you move? Oh yeah. Okay, I think I need to more practice this one, but it can work. It can. Okay, we are out. And what if we don't use the tool? Huh. It's maybe not that hard to do it with your hands. Oh. Okay, maybe I could try this one first, because it's not that hard. Okay, let's see. Oh, could be better, but it's not that bad. I thought it would be. But I definitely need more practice with the fourth method. Just please tell me in the comments if you are making your straps or ties this way. Okay, so now we can turn the straps right side out to see the difference between these four methods. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm using the loop turner. Okay, first method. I think you can see the difference already. This is the first method using serger and bikini elastic. The second one using serger, no elastic. Third one with elastic and zigzag. And the last one with our paper folding tool and straight stitch. So, 4 different ways how to sew your bikini straps or ties. Let me know in the comments which one you use or if you've got your own favorite way. I've always used the method 1, but I think the method 3 might actually look the best. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more tutorials and sewing patterns on sewingvision.com. And get excited for Sunday because we are sewing the Luna top bikini together. See you soon!